Okay, sorry, got cut off before. Okay, so I'm solving for D, so I distribute my 42. Now I'm going to multiply 42 times 16. So we get 12, 24, 25, 2, 4, 2, 7, so 672. Now I'm multiplying a whole number by a fraction, so I'm actually going to change this to 42 over 1, so it's easier for me to multiply these two. So 42 over 1 times a negative 4 over 3. So I just multiply across. So I'm going to do 42 times 4. So 42 times 4 gives me 168, and this is going to be a negative 168 because I have a positive times a negative number. And then I'm going to have 1 times 3. So I want to see if I can reduce this fraction, if negative 168 divided by 3. So I'm going to set up my long division. So this can go to 5. So minus 15, 1, and bring down my 18. Okay, so 56. So this is equal to negative 56. So I have 672 minus 56d plus 19d. So now I can combine like terms here. So I'm going to take the difference of these two numbers, and because the negative number is bigger, I know that the answer is going to be negative. So I have 56 minus 19. So I can take away 4. So this gives me 37. So, but it's going to be a negative 37 because the bigger number is negative. So this gives me 450 is equal to 672 minus 37d. And now I'm going to subtract 672 to both sides. Now, same thing here. I know my number, I'm going to take the difference of these two numbers, and I know the difference is going to be negative because the bigger number is negative. So 672 minus 450, 222. The bigger number is negative. So this gives me negative 222 is equal to negative 37d. So my last step is divide by negative 37. And so I'm just going to try a random number and see. So let's see. 37 times 5 gives me 15, 16, 17, 18, 185. I want to get to 222. So let's try 6. 37 times 6 and 222. So I know negative 222 divided by negative 37 is positive 6. So D is equal to 6, and that was in D was the dollars of dessert, so this would be $6 for dessert. And if I wanted to figure out how much the appetizers are, I can plug in $6 for D and solve for A. So for in one of my original equations. So one of my original equations was 432 is equal to 27A plus 36D. So I'm going to plug in 6 for D. So 432 is equal to 27A plus 36 times 6. So 36 times 6 gives me 216. Subtract 216 to both sides. So I can borrow a 2. So I get 6. 216 is equal to 27A. Divide by 27. So I want to see how many times 27 goes into 216. I'm just going to try. I know that 27 times 10, I would add a 0, and that'd be 270. So it has to be a little bit less than 10. So I'm going to try 27 times 8, 16, and that gives me my 216. So 8 is equal to A, so the appetizers are $8.